are live or not. Yes, I think now we are live. Let me check with my mobile right now. Okay, so now we are live. So this is our day 14 of 150 days of DSA, and I'm glad that we are just continuing this live stream. It's already 14 days, and thanks everyone for your support. And I have to show you this actually. Alright, so we are performing well, plus 76 subscribers in last 28 days. We just started, like 13 days will come in this, right? And the analytics are also growing. We are seeing a growth, right? So I think you are the reason to continue this daily live stream. Here is the live count of the subscribers, right? So without any delay, let us discuss about the problem, today's problem. Okay, so gas station, right? This is the 14th day, right? And in middle, if you have any doubts, please let me know. Right? Okay, I think now I'm clear. Okay, right? No, like, okay. So there are n gas stations along a circular route where the amount of gas at the ith station is gas of I. So you have a car with an unlimited gas tank, and it cost of I of gas to travel from ith station to the next. Okay. So you begin the journey with an empty tank at one of the gas stations. Given to integer gas and cost, write in the starting gas station's index if you can travel around the circuit once in the clockwise direction. Otherwise, return minus 1. If there exists a solution, it is guaranteed to be unique. So let us take this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is gas which we have, right? And the cost 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Just imagine what I am doing here. So I will fill one, one as 1 liter of gas. No, gas, it is gas, right? Not petrol. So 1 unit of gas. So I'd fill 1 unit of gas, but the cost to move to the next station is 3. So I cannot start from here, right? Now I'll go here. So I have 2 right now. I have 2 as, let us just see, travel to, okay. I fill up with gas index 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I just found it correct, right? So 2. Now my um, my car has 2 units of gas, 2 units of gas, but what it needed is 4 units, 4 units. This is needed. This is what I have, right? So let me just keep it like this so that you can also look at the problem number. Right now I think it would be clear. Yes, I think so. Not yet. Okay, whatever. So this is our problem, and let us look at the constants. 1e5 is n, and 1e4 for gas of I and cost of I. Okay, so is it possible here? No. So you cannot take here, right? Right, if you see, cannot take here. Now I have three. I have three as 1 second. Yeah, I have 3 units of gas here. Now I can fill it, right? So I have 3 units of gas. Now what I needed is 5. If you see here, it is 5. Alright, so I cannot move to the next station from here. So I cannot start from here. Okay, at this station. Now it is a circular one, right? So I'll just check this 4. Okay, now I have 4, right? Now is what I needed is 1. 1 second is 1. So what I'll do, I'll just pass through it. I'll just pass through it. Right? So here 1 will be emptied. Right? 1 gas unit will be emptied. Now I have 5. I can fill 5. Right? So I can start from here. Right? So I can fill 5 here. So now I have again 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Now how much I needed? So here I just needed 1 and I just fill it up. I used it, so I have 2 again. So 1, 2 will be cancelled out, right? I still have 3, 5, 6, right? So I'll just move from here to right here. I have completed. Now I'll move here. Now I have gas station which is 1. So this will be added to the gas units I have. Now I need 3, right? 1, 2 and then 3. So here we'll just cancel it out. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Right? So then here I have completed it. Then I'll go here. So I'll just fill 2 another gas units. Now how many do I need here? 4. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Now I'll just cancel it out. Right, I just need 4, so I'll just cancel it out. 4, I just have 2 left. Now I have 3. Now I can add this to the gas. 1, 2, 3. Now how many do I need? Actually I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So eventually we are just cancelling out. And if you see, if I just start from this index, I can eventually get for I can solve this in a brute force approach will be, let's just think about the brute force. We can optimize it further, right? So let's think about the brute force first. I'm thinking like int starting index is equal to 0, right? So yes, starting index is equal to 0 and starting index should be less than n, and starting index will be incremented. Right, now I will have current index that will be equal to starting index. Right, I'm just taking the current index. Sorry, I'm just taking the current index here like this. I'm just taking the current index, and I would say let us take this as, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this will be incremented like okay, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. 6 mod 5 would be 1. Okay, 6. Okay, so okay, let us take it like this. 7 mod 5 would be 2, right? So current index mod n should be less than starting index. We have started at 2, right? So 3 mod 5 would be 3. So current index mod n should be less than starting index. That's what I'll just do. Current index mod n should be less than starting index. Am I audible? Right? Yeah. I just forget sometimes. Current index will be incremented. Right? Now, uh, if I'll have a flag here, flag is equal to true, right? So I'll just have gas is equal to 0, just like that. Now gas plus is equal to the current which I have. So sorry, let's take this as gas current gas is equal to 0. So current gas plus is equal to um, the current index, gas of current index, right? And current gas minus is equal to cost of current index. Now if the current gas is less than 0, then flag will become false, right? Okay, so if it didn't become false, so it is true, right? If flag is true, then we'll just return starting index. If not, we'll just return -1. So let us just check that. I think I am right. So what are we taking here? First, int n is equal to gas dot size, and for int start index is equal to 0, start index is less than n, start index plus plus, and bool flag is equal to true, and int current gas is equal to 0 for int current index is equal to start index, and current index mod n is less than start index, right? Current index plus plus. Okay, now current gas, that's it, plus is equal to gas of Krishna Madana. Hi bro, how are you? I just took a lot of break in middle, right? How many days from Wednesday? I think 1 2 3 4, okay, 6 days. I just took 6 days of break. Yeah, nice to meet you again, brother. Cost of current index. If current gas is less than 0, then flag will be false, and I'll just break the loop. Then if flag is still true, then we'll return starting index, if not return -1. I think this would work. No, it isn't. Output is 0, but expected is 3. Let us check for current gas. Okay, isn't Okay, 1 second. Current index. Okay. It is not executing, right? See out here. I think it is not being executed. I think so. If you see, it is not executed. Why? Because there is an error with this thing. Current index mod n is less than starting index. Let us look at that. Okay, starting index is 0, right? So current index will be 0. Current index 0 mod n. Yeah, I think we just have to do something with this, right? Current index mod n. Let us look at that, right? So 0 1 2 3 4, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4. Now the starting index is this starting index. Now I have I here, so okay, I can just increment my I 0 1 2 3 4. Then let us take for 0 1 2 3 4. The starting index is this. Now I have my I here, then it will go to 3, then it will go to 4, and then 5 6 7 8. But it should know at some point that when it reaches 7 it should just stop. Alright, so I think there is a way, but I'm thinking like current index is called start index, and let me not put anything here, but if current index is greater than n and current index mod n is equal to starting index, then just break. That's it, right? I think it will work. Okay, let us check this. 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, and this is the gas and the cost is 343. Now I have this as the starting index, and the current gas is 0, so current gas is equal to 0. Now the current index is here 2. Okay, now the current gas will be incremented by 4. Okay, I have 4 and I will use 3, so it will become 1 if current gas is less than 0. Flag is equal to false, so I'm breaking unnecessarily here. That's okay. I got wrong answer. Yeah, there is some error. I am thinking like what okay, so runtime error. I'm just getting a runtime error. Okay, see out current gas. For 0 and 1, just indices 0 and 1. Okay, that's it. No, okay. Current gas is greater than current index. Let us just oh, current index is equal to current index mod n. That's where I'm getting a wrong answer. No. Let us just uh, let's just return -1 here for once. C out 0 mod 5. Let us think what it will. Let's just see what it will return. 0. Okay, that's great. Now we are at the current point. If the current index is greater than or equal to n and current index mod n is equal to start index, we'll just break. Okay, well, I'm saying this 7 mod 5, 5 and 5, and we have 2 which is the start index, so we'll just break. We'll just make it as flag is equal to false, but the problem isn't there in that. Now I think yeah, that's it. Where is this C out here? There might be a TLE. Yeah, that's what we are thinking about. Okay, I think you got it, but I'm thinking like how can we reduce it further? You know, this I think it's not needed. We can place it like this if I'm not wrong. Okay, that's a mistake. Okay, however, we'll go to the optimized approach. We'll just solve this correctly. Let us run this and let us look for the description. Okay, we got the wrong answer. So I think this would be the best way. Right, yeah. Now let us see about the time limit exceeded here. Okay, this is what we got. If you want to look at the code you can see 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 1 2. Gas is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Cost is equal to 3 4 5 1 2. Okay, so what I'm thinking, you know, just imagine like this. Um, Here, if I start, I only have 1 unit of gas, but I have I have just like this. I'm writing I have, and need I need 3. So here it cannot be done, right? So we'll just move forward to here. Now I have 2, I need 4. Here also I cannot get it. Now I have 3, I need 5. So here also I cannot move forward. Now here I have 4 and I just need 1. Can I move forward? Yes. But what I'm thinking is, can I take this as the current gas? That's what I'm thinking about. But let me tell you one thing. The gas which I have here, okay, cost, okay, I'll just remove the cost. Okay, let me tell you, I have the current gas as 1, and the current cost is 3. I cannot have it, right? So I still need 2 more. I think I'm going in the right direction, right? So but let us just take it like 1 minus 3 minus 2, right? Okay, it's just a notification. Okay, minus 2. Okay, now I have current gas as, let us just take it as 2. Now the current cost will be 2 minus, I'm not getting like this. Okay, let us just look at the hint. I'm just solving with you. I got into an, if you start at station A and stuck at B, then you cannot get to B from any station between A and B. Replace cost with field usage. Of the test cases does not have a unique first, just assume the gas tank can fall below 0. Complete a loop starting at position 0 and record the index with lowest amount of gas, possibly negative in tank. Call it lowest index. Complete a loop starting from lowest index, break and return -1 if the tank falls below 0 at any point. Return lowest index if it never. Okay. Feedback the most. Once you subtract cost array from gas array, it becomes maximum subarray problem. Then you know it is Karan's algorithm. This is expects answer to be 0. or state view on the smallest index. Please not from the hi all. I've written the code in just buy a Tesla, bro. Just use simply total gas sum is total cost sum. Define two variables, start is equal to 0, current sum is equal to 0. Now iterate over to y is equal to 0 to okay. Current is equal to gas of I minus cost of I. If current is less than 0, increment start is equal to start plus 1 and set current is equal to 0. Then return start. I know it's pretty easy, but okay, let us try this algorithm 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 1 2 with this example. Gas is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Cost is equal to 3 4 5 1 2. Right, so what I'll do, total gas sum is less than total cost sum. Okay, let us see. Okay, total gas sum is 0, total cost sum is 0. Now I have two variables, start is equal to 0 and current is also equal to 0. Now I iterate over loop I is equal to 0 where current is equal to gas of I minus cost of I. Gas of I minus cost of I, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. The current is less than 0, so I'll just increment start to 1. So I'm just thinking like this, I cannot have it as a starting index, so I'm just going to the next index and initializing it to the start. Right, now I'll just go here. Now the current will be 2 minus, okay, now I'll set current to 0. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 again, so it cannot be here, so the start will be 2. Now I think there is something which we are missing. Okay, current sum. Okay, now here 3 minus 5 minus 2, so here I cannot have it. I'm just incrementing and keeping it as 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, okay, I can have 0 1 2 3, then 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, again it is 3. We are returning start, but if you see, the total gas sum is less than total cost sum. Okay, let us take again 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 1 2. Gas is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Cost is equal to 3 4 5 1 2. Right, now what we are doing here is total gas sum is equal to 0, total cost sum is equal to 0. The start will be 0, the current will also be 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, so the current will be 0 and start will be 1. Then gas sum will be 1, total cost sum will be 3. Okay, now start is 1. Okay, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. I'll just put this current to 0. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, so start will be 2. Now current gas sum is 2 plus 1 3, cost will be 4 plus 3 7. Now I have 3 and 5, it will be minus 2 and will reset to 0. Then start will become 3. Right, now total gas sum 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 7 plus 5 is 12. Now I have 4 and 1. Okay, now I have current as 4 minus 1, which is 3. Now total gas sum 6 plus 4 is 10, 12 plus 1 is 13. Now start is still at 3. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. Right, so I have 3. Now 10 and 15 and then 15. So total gas sum is not less than total cost sum. So will not return -1 here. Let me just reset the code. Let us just take int n is equal to gas dot size int total gas sum. Let's just total gas sum. Thank you, bro, for Shailesh, thank you. Right, total gas sum, total cost sum is also equal to 0. Now int start is equal to 0, current is also equal to 0 for int I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, and I plus plus. What we are doing is total gas sum plus is equal to gas of I, total cost sum plus is equal to cost of I. Now I will have current plus is equal to gas of I minus cost of I. So if current is lesser than 0, I'll just put current is equal to 0 and start is equal to start plus 1. Now return -1 or start. When will I return -1 is when total gas sum is less than total cost sum, right? So I think I'm correct. Okay, so no, we got a wrong answer. Total gas sum and total cost sum. So if current is less than 0, current will be reset to 0. I think there is an error. You can ask me doubts meanwhile. I hope you're there, Krishna. Thanks for being the part of our live session. I think there is a subtle error here. Let us just take it as total is greater than is less than 0, gas of I minus cost of I. Okay, total current. Okay, yeah, I think this should work. No, we are still getting a wrong answer. Current will be 0 and total will be 0. The index we are starting with start, right? So total will be with gas of I minus cost of I. Same, if current is less than 0, we'll just increment. Now if total is less than 0, is total less than 0, then we'll return -1. If not, we'll return start. That's it, right? I don't know why we are getting a wrong answer here. That's a very, we are just changing the start. If it is at this index and we didn't get, we got a wrong here, or we are out of fuel at this index, we are again starting from here. That's what the main error or the bug which we have, right? So yeah, this would be the correct algorithm. Sorry. So we are 1155 subscribers, right? So we completed day 14 of 150 days of DSA. So I think you got the intuition, right? So let me explain you. Let me tell you one thing. We are just looking at one simple thing here, right? So I think I should take another example so that you can easily understand this. Right? Imagine it like this. So for 1, 2, and then this index we can go. But here we have 1, but we need 2. Here totally 3, and we just need 1. Here we have 2. Here we are left with 2 and then 2 here. So 4. Now let me tell you one thing. This is gas and this is cost. I have 3, right? I have 3 as gas, which is 3 gas units. I need just 1. So these 2 will be cancelled out and still I have 2. Now I have another 2 and I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So here these all will be cancelled out. But when I get here, I have 1, but I need 2. One thing which I'll tell you is you cannot start from here. Right? Can you start from here? No. So the start index will shift from here. So I just got a wrong answer. I am out of fuel at I. So the start will be I plus 1. I'm saying in the algorithm that when you're failing at this point at I, at index I, all those, you don't, it doesn't matter where you start from 0 to I. You can start from 0 to any index till I. It will just break. We'll start from I plus 1. That's why we are changing start to I plus 1 here. So if you see, you can simply get it here. Right? You'll start at some index like I plus 1. But the problem is the total gas, is it enough for total gas? sorry, total cost. That's the question which will be having with total, right? So that's why we are having total as gas of I minus cost of I. We can easily have total gas and total cost. Total cost is also equal to 0. Now total gas plus is equal to total gas plus is equal to gas of I, and total total cost plus is equal to cost of I. Okay, now if total gas minus total cost is less than 0, we'll just return -1. If not, we'll return start. So that would be pretty easy to understand. Yeah, that's it. That's it for today. And you have to just subscribe to our channel and keep supporting, and we'll just keep moving forward. Hello, I think I'm audible right now. Yeah, so we are getting some comments, I think. Hi, bro, what do you do? Bro, I'm doing as a data engineer in a company of healthcare. So it's a service-based company. So with Raj, thanks for attending our live session, brother. Thank you very much, actually. We'll ending this live session at 10 p.m. actually. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. And yeah. So what do you do? So with Raj, brother, are you in college or you're working? Right. I think I'm audible and you can hear me. Right.